Hey guys, and welcome to my mini-series. For the whole month of February, I will be posting one macrame knot or knot pattern a day. So I'm going to take a couple of steps back from the knot that I posted yesterday. Today I'm going to show you the Larks Head knot, which is the most common knot I would say to attach your rope to your dowel or your piece of driftwood or whatever else you might be using. So we will start by folding our rope in half and making sure both halves are even. Grab the middle of your folded rope, bring it across the top of your dowel, open that loop, and pull the two pieces of rope through that loop. To make the rope tight, just pull up on those two strands of rope. I also wanted to quickly mention that if you were to flip your dowel around, the knot that you'd be seeing on the other side of your dowel is a cow hitch knot. Sometimes I use this knot for various projects if I don't want to be seeing that loop at the front of my work. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I'm Chantel from Lots of Knots Canada. Find me on Instagram, Pinterest, and Facebook. Please subscribe so you don't miss any videos. I'll be posting a new macrame knot or knot pattern every day in February.